Today is a very heavy rain, and take
Heavy
a
traffic
look.
too. Heavy traffic too.
That's my mom. She's a driver and drives me school.
Drives for me.
Drives for me. And we just got from SM. We shop groceries and buy my new watch and buy a new mop because our old mop is broken. And yeah, look at this rain. It's not really heavy, but it's still raining every day.
Continuous rain.
Continuous rain every day. Okay. See ya. Wait, what? See ya.
Yes, ano ito? Kuma?
Ano? Ha?
Kuma?
Ulo.
Ano yung magpagalaman ako? Hindi mabagal magalaman.
Gusto mo iwanan na mga nangalim na lang namin.
Oh, sige.
Hey guys, I just arrived at, what's that called? Kwarta Padala. Yep. I really don't know because we're in Philippines. In Philippines, it always rains. I live in Florida. Just got a vacation at my mommy's sister's. Okay. That's how it ends. Like and subscribe. Comment down below. Hit the notifications button. Bye.